Hello there, this is Nat from Artnovion. We're at ISE 2020. We're showing off some of our new releases this year. One of them is our new molded PET products. So we have here Tejo Absorber and the Altay Absorber. So these products are designed for being tools basically for designers and architects to treat a lot of spaces where they want a wall-to-wall treatment with the same sort of design. So these are minimalistic acoustic panels. They work very well from 2000 Hertz onwards, so they're great for SDI index, for speech control. We've designed this product to be used in places such as offices or restaurants where they can be part of an acoustic treatment. This combined with a system of baffles is a very good restaurant solution. As they're great designer tools for other environments. So these products start off life something like this. So we use 100% recycled PET foam. So this is made from recycled plastic bottles. And then using our own production processes, heat and pressure, we managed to create different designs, and we can mold this into these sorts of patterns that you can see. So for more information about these products and others from the Artnovion line, check out our website at artnovion.com, or if you still have time, stop by a booth at ISE.